Hey guys, if you're encountering an issue when trying to play Dota 2 with the game either not responding or freezing, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to fix this issue. You will need to go through each of these solutions to find the one that works for you. So let's just jump straight into it, and the first thing we're going to do is update our graphic drivers by coming over to the Start menu and searching for Device Manager. Tap on the Device Manager tab, and we need to expand this box down here next to Display Adapters. And you need to locate your graphic driver. Mine is this NVIDIA one here. Then you can right click on your graphics driver and select Update Driver and press where it says Search automatically for drivers. And now Windows is going to check to make sure you're running the latest driver. As you can see, for me, I'm already running the latest driver, so we can close out of this window. And next thing we're going to do is check our firewall settings by coming back to the Start menu and searching for Windows Defender. Click on the Windows Defender firewall. Then over on the left where it says Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender, click that. And we need to add Dota 2 to this list of exceptions. So let's hit Change Settings button here, and then we're going to scroll down to make sure Dota 2 isn't already in the list. For me, I already have Dota 2 listed here, so if you've already got Dota 2 in this list, all you need to do is make sure Private and Public is checked, and then you can move on to the next step. If you don't see Dota 2 in this list, for example, if I just remove Dota 2 for a second, then what you need to do is you need to come to Allow Another App, select Browse, then inside of here we need to find the Dota 2 application. This could be found inside of your C drive, inside of Program Files x86, inside of the Steam folder, inside of Steam Apps, underneath Common, and as you can see here, Dota 2 Beta, click that, inside of the Bin folder, Win64, and then you can find the Dota 2 application, just double click on that, and then we can press Add. And once again, you need to make sure Private and Public is checked, and then we can just press OK to save those changes. The next thing we need to do is to make sure we're running the file as an administrator. And to do that, as we're running the game through Steam, we need to right-click on the Steam application and come into Properties, inside of the Compatibility tab, and make sure you have both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as an administrator checked. Then you can just press Apply and OK to save those changes. Next thing we're going to do is verify our game files, so come over to the Steam application, heading to Library, and then right-click on the Dota 2 app and come into Properties. Then if you come into this Installed Files tab on the left, you'll see an option here where it says Verify this game's files are installed correctly. We just need to hit this button, and Steam's going to check to make sure everything's installed correctly. This can take a couple of minutes, so just wait for this to get to 100%. And then the next thing you need to do is come into the General tab here, underneath Launch Options. If you already have any text underneath Launch Options, just delete that for now. And we're going to type in here -safe, and then we can close out of this window. Another thing you can try here is coming back to Properties, and instead of using the word safe here, we can change this to Auto Config, and this is going to restore your game settings to default and can fix game crashes caused by improper game settings. Next thing you can do is head over to the Start menu and search for Settings, tap on the Settings icon, and come all the way down to Windows Update. Then just hit this Check for Updates button and ensure you're running the latest version of Windows, as outdated software can also cause issues with the app. Now, if you've tried all of these fixes so far and nothing's working, then the last and final thing we can do is do a complete clean installation of the game, which you can do by coming back to your Steam application and right-clicking on Dota 2. Select Manage and then Uninstall, and then we just want to hit this Uninstall button. Then you need to come over to your File Explorer on your computer, head into the C drive, inside Program Files x86, inside of the Steam folder, inside of Steam Apps, inside of Common, and then you want to right-click on this Dota 2 Beta folder and select the trash icon to delete it. We can then head back over to the Steam application and reinstall Dota 2 from here. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that should have fixed any not responding issues you're getting with Dota 2. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.